YouTube fam, how are you? Thank you for joining me today. Are you guys tired every single time you upload a video, it flops? Do you dream of hitting 1 million views with your next video? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to share with you the strategies I follow to grow my channel to over 1,000 subscribers in less than 10 days. Yes, you heard me right, in less than 10 days. I'm Touré Dunn. I'm your VA coach and your biggest cheerleader. I follow quite a few YouTube creators to grow my channel, but today we're going to talk about one in particular. I model Robert Benjamin. Rob gained over 500,000 subscribers using the same techniques that he shares with other YouTube creators. Make sure you stay for the entire video because I'm going to be sharing a major free resource that is going to change the game for you. And did I mention that it's actually free? This isn't like a freebie PDF download. This resource is going to be a huge benefit to the growth of your YouTube. So let's get it. The first strategy you need to implement is spending more time coming up with content ideas. I got my first strategy from Rob's video, do this to get 1 million plus followers, 1 million plus views on your YouTube shorts. His advice in this video was, take the time to brainstorm ideas and explore different angles to make your content more compelling. Build a list of ideas and different ways to frame them. That will help you identify the best approach that will attract more views to your videos. For example, if you see trending content and this content resonates with your niche or what you talk about, create your version. I like to call it remixing, giving the viewers what they want from your point of view. So let's break it down into 5 steps to help you actually remix that content. First up, we have the tried and tested technique of mind mapping. Grab a pen and paper or use a digital tool to jot down your main topic in the center of the page. Then branch out with different subtopics, related ideas, and potential angles. This visual helps you see connections and sparks new ideas that might have otherwise remained hidden. Now, who said brainstorming can't be fun? Challenge yourself with idea generation games. To break free from conventional thinking, one popular game is the 5 whys. Start with a broad topic and ask why 5 times to dig deeper into the core aspects. Another game is what if. Imagine outrageous scenarios related to your content and explore the possibilities. These games push your boundaries and open doors to exciting new perspectives. Sometimes the best ideas come from bouncing off others. Gather a group of like-minded individuals or fellow creators and engage in collaborative brainstorming sessions. Share your topic, listen to different viewpoints, and build upon each other's ideas. The synergy of diverse perspectives can lead to breakthrough concepts and fresh approaches. There are a nice amount of Facebook groups just for YouTubers. Jump in one that you like and start the conversation. Yes, it's that simple. And for those of you who have joined my Patreon, I have a list of Facebooks in Patreon just for you to join that are just for YouTubers so that you can network, connect, and do some of that collaborative brainstorming. If you're looking to create content that attracts more views, it's worth studying what's already working. Select successful videos within your niche and deconstruct their key elements. Identify common themes, unique approaches, and the reasons behind their popularity. This reverse engineering process can inspire new ideas and help you understand what resonates with your target audience. This is definitely one of my favorite methods of creating new content. Don't limit yourself to a single format. Explore different ways to represent or to present your content. It could be a tutorial, a vlog, a challenge, or even a storytelling format. Each format has its own strengths and can attract different viewers. Experimenting with various formats keeps your content fresh, engages your audience, and broadens your reach. The second strategy is understanding the competition. YouTube is a massive platform and you're constantly competing for attention. To gain an edge, I recommend using a tool called vidIQ. Now, let me be clear, vidIQ did not sponsor this video, but this is one of the main keys I use to grow to over 1,000 subscribers in less than 10 days. It allows you to analyze keyword research and see what other videos are trending in your niche. For example, one of the keys to attracting more views to your video is using the right keyword. vidIQ simplifies the process by providing you with valuable insights into keyword search volume. You can enter relevant keywords or phrases related to your content, and vidIQ will show you the search volume for those keywords, giving you a better understanding of their popularity and potential impact on your video's engagement. With vidIQ, you can gain an inside look at your competitors' videos and their channels. The tool allows you to analyze their tags, descriptions, and thumbnails, giving you a clearer picture of their strategies. By studying successful videos in your niche, you can identify patterns, learn from their tactics, and adapt them to your own content. And know that staying on top of trends is crucial to keep your channel relevant and attract a wider audience. vidIQ's trending videos feature helps you identify the hottest videos in your niche. You can see what topics are gaining traction and capitalize on them by creating timely and relevant content. By aligning your videos with the latest trends, you'll increase your chances of being discovered and shared by a larger audience. But guys, vidIQ offers comprehensive analytics. And I am going in detail about vidIQ because this tool was really huge in helping grow my channel. And again, they are not sponsoring this video. But guys, their analytics allow you to track the performance of your channel and individual videos. You can monitor metrics like views, likes, comments, and engagement rates over time. This data provides valuable insight into what's working and what's not, helping you refine your content strategy and make data-driven decisions to continuously improve your channel's performance. It's like having the cheat sheet to YouTube success. The third strategy is to rank for search. Did you know that 99% of your views come after the first 24 hours of uploading a video? Rob says that's why it's crucial to focus on search rankings. YouTube is now competing with TikTok. They want to index short-form videos for search queries on Google to optimize your chances. vidIQ comes to the rescue once again. By using this tool, you can identify high search volume keywords related to your content and create videos targeting those keywords. Ranking for search provides continuous views over time, even without going viral. Not only will you attract more views, but advertisers will also pay you more to appear on your videos, increasing your revenue potential. So leverage search rankings to secure long-term success on YouTube. Imagine this, friends. Consistency is like a secret handshake that you do with your viewers. It's not just about uploading videos regularly, but about delivering top quality content every single time. When you build a strong connection with your audience, something magical happens. They start to love your videos so much that they can't wait for your next upload. It's like having a cheering squad that's always ready to support you and make your videos a big hit. But wait, there's more to this story. Consistency is also about keeping your promises in your videos. It means delivering what you say you will. My friends, when you do that, Your audience feels like you're a reliable source who never lets them down. They find value in every piece of content you create, and that's like hitting the jackpot. So remember, when you make a promise in your videos, you've got to keep it and make your viewers' dreams come true. Get ready for the most thrilling part, YouTube fam. Consistency is not just about making good videos, but about blowing your viewers' minds. Yes, you heard it right. It's about creating videos that go beyond what your audience expects. It's like a magical surprise that leaves them jumping with joy. So my friends, aim high and strive to succeed your viewers' expectations every single time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and strategies. Be on the lookout for the next video that I release showing you lovely people what I learned from the oh so famous Mr. Beast. Hey fam, remember I said I had a free resource for you if you watch to the end. See, you gotta do what you say you're gonna do in your videos. But I do. Robert Benjamin, he has a free YouTube course that you can take. Guys, get over there. Watch the video that I referenced in my video. And in the description, he has a link for a free YouTube course. I will also see about reaching out to him to see if I can include his link in my description. But just in case I don't get permission before this video launch, head over to the video that was referenced in this video and you can get access to that free YouTube course. That course is the bomb. I did the course, and to be honest, I am truly thinking about taking advantage of his paid courses because he has a lot of proof that I'm interested in, and I would love to grow more. All right, fam, keep growing, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video. Listen to the rest of the video. And remember, implement these 4 strategies, stay consistent, and watch your subscriber count skyrocket. See you in the next video. Continue to strive, continue to shine, and I'm wishing you much success on your YouTube journey. See you in the next video.